I spent 4 years building a new Twitch bot to help my friends run more creative streams. What kept happening was a friend would have a really interesting idea for their stream, but then getting it to work was a huge chore. This was a big problem for them, and is a big problem for streaming in general, because a lot of streams look and feel exactly the same. They have the same alerts, the same overlays, the same sounds, and the same chat commands. But it doesn't have to be this way. This is a problem with the tools. The tools streamers have are either too limited, boxing them in creatively, or they're too complicated, sometimes even requiring custom code to be written. So I'm building a new streaming tool, and I'm giving it to you for free. It's called CastMate. CastMate is a desktop app focused on balancing simplicity and power. Almost everything is click and drag, easy to test, and runs entirely on your machine. The bulk of what you do in CastMate is in 3 simple parts. Profiles, which hold triggers, which are made of actions. We'll start in the middle with triggers. Triggers get triggered when a certain event happens. So a chat command trigger will run when someone in chat uses it, and the incoming raid trigger will run when you get a raid. Profiles hold onto your triggers. They're organizational, but they're also functional. Profiles can be enabled and disabled, and when a profile is disabled, all the triggers inside of it become inactive. Any channel point rewards they use will automatically disappear from the list on Twitch, and it's even possible to set profiles to automatically enable and disable themselves based on custom conditions, like which scene you're on or which category you're streaming in. Dividing your triggers into profiles makes it easy to run variety streams. You can create different chat commands, channel point rewards, and even alerts to match what you're streaming. Then simply disable those triggers when you change topics. Actions are what triggers do when they're triggered. They snap together like little Lego bricks, and while most actions are one-off instants, like chat messages, shoutouts, and OBS control, some actions have time associated with them, like sounds, media sources, and delays. This lets you easily sequence stuff like you would in a video editor. Some actions even have multiple flows, like the random action, which will randomly choose one path. This lets you create variety and chance under a single trigger. There are a ton of actions implemented. You can play sounds, change smart lights, toggle smart plugs, change scenes, toggle sources, toggle filters, post stuff to Discord, update custom variables, and more. But you don't just need to do stuff, you also need to show stuff, for which CastMate has an overlay system, which can be used in OBS via a browser source. You can create overlays with a click and drag interface, and it features widgets like an OG style alert, a randomization wheel, an emote bouncer that actually works with animated emotes, progress bars for goals, labels, which can automatically display and update data that CastMate tracks, whether this is something like your last follower or subscriber, or a custom variable. You can easily insert this data using the templating menu. It even works with timers. There's a bunch more features like stream plans, which help you pre-plan titles and tags, and then switch between them. There's viewer variables to store data for each viewer, and there's queues, reusable automations, and audio tools. CastMate even has its own Twitch extension called Spellcast, which helps you create custom bit triggers. While there's still a lot more I have planned for CastMate, a small but enthusiastic community has grown around it, doing all sorts of fun and creative streams, giving their chat ways to comment and interact in real time, ranging from the chill.
Hold on, someone redeem treats. So let me get treats. It's like really quiet. No one can see you, Leo! Oh my gosh!
Oh no! Hello! Hello!
Ways to interrupt gameplay with input simulation.
Fuck me!
To using smart plugs to do the crazy.
You guys, oh my god, dude, it's over. It's over. Oh shit, dude!
And while it's a bit unorthodox to share a project 4 years into it, I have traditionally been a better developer than public face of the project.
I don't know what to do.
But that changes today, so I'm launching this YouTube channel to give updates and tutorials for CastMate and stream production. So if this is of any interest to you, please go to castmate.io or the project's GitHub to download and try CastMate. Links are in the doobly-doo. Consider subscribing and maybe even liking the video. Leave a comment here, join the Discord, or come by my stream at twitch.tv/LordTalks to tell me everything you like or dislike about it. And finally, I'll be at TwitchCon San Diego in like 2 days, so come find me there. And we'll see you in the next one. In the meantime, I'm gonna find something to put on this wall because it's kind of sterile up in here.